Hey, assalamu alaikum everybody, it's Jenna G, that's me, the Xtra from TND. Welcome back to my channel. We're going to be getting messy in the kitchen today with some flour. Flour is something that I can never be clean with. I am always being messy. By the time I'm finished in the kitchen with flour, there's flour everywhere. But hey, that's part of it, right? So today we're going to be doing a little mince and hops. Not mince and separate and hop separate. We're going to be actually combining the minced chicken. We're going to be putting it into the hop spread and we're going to be baking it. Perfect snack items for you guys. So today's video is another extra special one because we're going to be using items that are on special right here at Xtra Foods supermarket in Trinidad. The items we're going to be using today includes this ibis flour. We're also going to be using our marigold margarine, and of course we're going to be using our minced chicken. A hop spread is something that will take long. Bread, bacon on the whole can take a little while, but I guarantee the taste of this after will definitely be worth it. So hop spread ingredients is pretty straightforward. We're going to be using flour, some brown sugar, some margarine, some yeast, and some salt, and that's about it. Alright, to start things off with our dough, I'm going to be adding flour. Then we're going to be adding our yeast, our sugar, our salt. Let's mix everything up. I'm adding my warm water, followed by my melted margarine. So I'm going to just mix everything up. And then we're going to be kneading this for about 7 to 8 minutes. So it's easier for me to put it onto my countertop and knead it. You want to lightly flour your counter. Don't put too much because you don't want your dough to dry out. Alright, so I'm getting an arm workout here. It's been about 7 minutes kneading it. And we're just going to put it into our bowl. We're going to cover it and just let it sit until it doubles in size. So now we've got a nice smooth dough ball. So we're going to just put it back into our bowl. We're going to cover it and we're going to let it sit until it doubles in size. Alright, so while our dough is setting, I am going to be cooking the minced chicken. So this is about a pound of minced chicken, and all I'm going to be adding to this is some onions, some tomato paste to it, some garlic, peppers, the usual green seasoning. So you can add just about anything. You can even add more vegetables if you like, but we're just going to keep keeping it simple today. Alright, so we're going to be cooking our minced chicken now. I have some oil, coconut oil heated in the pan. I'm just going to be adding my onions. Just cooking the onions until they're nice and tender. This is something I actually love when the house is smelling, like when we, put some onions and garlic and stuff in the oil. Husband hates it. He does not like it at all. He goes around opening all the windows, but I love it. That's just one of the things about cooking. It's just the smells in the house. It's just wonderful. Then I'm going to be adding my minced chicken. Adding my tomato paste. And I'm adding some water. Just one thing for the green seasoning, usually a combination for me shadobeni, garlic, pimentos, sometimes pepper. Today I went a little crazy. I added thyme, parsley, chive, celery, shadobeni, garlic, pepper, and pimento to it. But depending on your mix, I put about 2 tablespoons into this 1 pound of minced chicken, but you can adjust accordingly. So now that our mince is finished, we're going to just set it aside and we're going to be putting it into our dough in a short while. Alright, so we have our dough that's doubled in size. It's been about 50 minutes or so. Now I'm going to be punching it and then I'm going to divide it into equal parts. And we're going to be putting our minced chicken inside of it. So I got about 14 pieces, and all I'm going to be doing, taking one and carefully just cover it all up. And we're going to put this onto our baking sheet. Alright guys, so our hops are ready to be put into the oven. So we have our oven heated at 400. We're going to be baking this for 20 to 25 minutes. Alright guys, and 25 minutes later we have our yummy looking mince. And that's all I have for you today. I hope you did enjoy the mince and hops video. Now it can be time consuming. Let it sit for about an hour, 2 hours. It can take about 2 hours setting alone, and then we're going to be baking it for the next couple of minutes. But I guarantee the taste of these snacks or these munchies, you're going to be very much satisfied. And just remember the items that we used today on special at Xtra Foods are ibis flour, chicken, the margarine. Be sure to check them out. Don't miss out on these specials. I will post the link to their Facebook page down below so you can check them out and get a full listing of all the items that are on special over the next couple of weeks. And remember, when you try the recipe, please send me pictures. I'd love to see how they turned out. So thanks so much for watching. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share with all your friends and your family, leave me a comment and send me a message. I look out for lots more videos.